Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Sisters Vlogs. This is Zoya from Atlanta, Georgia. আশা করি আল্লাহর রহমতে আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, আমরাও অনেক ভালো আছি। আমার আজকের এই ভিডিওটা কয়েক মাস আগের তোলা, but I am just sharing with you now. I really wanted to have a pet at my house. So one day, Mom told me she will surprise me. She took me to a shopping plaza. I believe it was Latino or Hispanic place. It was actually pretty big. Lots of cool places to look around. Surprisingly, they had an indoor playground too. It even had a food court with various types of foods and fresh fruit drinks. আমার ছোট বোন প্লেগ্রাউন্ড দেখে খুব খুশি হয়ে গিয়েছিল. She literally ran towards the slide. আমিও অনেক বেশি এক্সাইটেড ছিলাম. ওখানে পানির উপরে বলের মধ্যে ঢোকার আমার খুব শখ ছিল. It was a great experience. আমি তখন জানতাম না আমার আম্মুর প্ল্যানটা কি. অনেকক্ষণ খেলার পরে ফাইনালি আমরা পেট সেন্টারে ভিতরে ঢুকলাম. Oh my god! All the colorful birds were so pretty. Mashallah! And the little birds were chirping all the time. We even get to see a very few birds that can talk. After the bird section, I get to see lots of puppies. So cute, so adorable. I felt like getting all of them. But my mom was keep saying, "Look at everything first, then I will talk to you." I wonder what she means by that. Then we get to see lots of colorful rabbits, hamsters, fishes, and mice. Also more birds. I was having a feeling maybe আজকে আম্মু আমাকে surely একটা pet কিনে দিবে. But I didn't know her surprise was only to show me all these cage-locked animals, but not to buy a single one. Can you guess why? Well, before, I actually had 4 goldfish pets. Those survived only 4 to 5 months and died one after another. Taking care of a pet is a big responsibility. When I had my goldfish, I never cleaned up the water tanks. My mom or dad did it for me. This time, Mom says if birds poop here and there at the house, who will clean it up? She again said, "Are you ready to clean up your puppy's poop at the house?" Mom says, Zoya, if you get a pet, you have to feed them, bathe them, keep them clean, and take them to the vet if necessary. Do you think you are ready to take all the responsibilities, Zoya? I was kind of quiet after she asked me that question. I replied, not really, Mommy. তাই আম্মু বলল, when you grow up and understand your responsibilities better, then you can have your own pet. I kind of agreed to that suggestion. Remember we sold that kind of I know.
Look at that. Look at that birdie right there, Mama. Look.
That is a big.
Hi.
Out.
Mashallah, they're cute, Mommy. All the birds are so pretty.
Yeah, right. I realized it's not easy to take care of a pet. My mom is always busy and doing a lot of work at the house, so it's not fair for her to take care of my pet. তাই আমি আর কোনো কথা বললাম না. And later, I enjoyed walking around the pets and enjoyed my fresh fruit drink. I hope you guys are enjoying my today's video. If you are, please smash the like button. And if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell button, ding, so anytime I upload a new video, you do not miss it. You can share your feedback and comments. I love to read those. Okay, fishes, you're kidding me. Hundreds and thousands.
Excuse me.
There's hundreds and thousands of fish. They should be having a big
Mashallah. Look at these big ones, Zoya. They're so pretty.
Now sit back and enjoy my entire video till the end to see all of Allah's great creation. They get the water from the mouth will get the water.
Oh no! How much is it?
Keep buying that bird.
When they're 5 weeks old, when they're real little, they're about 7, 8 weeks. So when they're 5 weeks and they're little, I'll give you 130 cents. When they're that big.
You like it, mommy?
This is the same color as my.
The same color of your shoes. Okay, yeah, right. Hi, cutie. Hi. Ah, mommy is so lonely, nah?
I know.
That's why I don't like the birds in a cage.
So friends, see you on my next video. Stay out of trouble. Wear mask wherever you go.
Hey, birdie.
Stay safe. Assalamualaikum.